In this video, I'll show you how to download and install all DirectX versions. If it helps, make sure to like and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome, go to the official Microsoft website, and download the file. Open the file and extract it anywhere you like. I extracted it in my Downloads folder, but you can choose any location you prefer. Now open the extracted folder, just keep clicking Next and Install. That's it. Now you have all versions of DirectX installed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, it really keeps me going.